Okay, we've got our next question from Suraj, who is writing us from Dubai. His question is on DLF. He's bought 300 odd shares at the levels of 752, currently sitting on loss of around 500 odd rupees, and wants to know if he can continue, okay, profit of 500 odd rupees, and wants to know if he can continue to hold or maybe accumulate more. Vaishali, is that the right thing to do?
I would say keep 730 levels for an accumulation zone, because that would make the risk reward ratio favorable. Below 720, the trend totally gets damaged. So for now, accumulate with 730 as support levels. And if the stock only moves above 780 to 790 levels and sustains, could we say that yes, there is further strength? But overall, I feel Realty Index is showing some signs of profit booking. So this is how I would look at DLF.
All right, so DLF from the real estate pack, for once taking a bit of a breather from the selling that it's seen in the recent past, up about 0.4%. Gaurav Baheti is writing in from Hyderabad in Telangana and asking about RBL Bank, and 92 shares is what he has, with a considerable gain actually. 273 is the current market price, but he's gaining 100 points or thereabouts, 100 rupees or thereabouts from his buy price. He's asking whether to hold for another month or should he book his profits and move to something else. Vaishali, on the charts?
I think chartically it looks quite robust. It's one of an outperforming banking stock as far as the other banks are concerned. So 258 is the support level, and a positional target. I mean, I'm not too sure whether it's within a month or so, but I'm expecting a target of around 300, 303. So 258 is support and 303 is the target. So let's hope you get your targets in a month's time.
Okay, all right. So that's with regards to where RBL Bank stands. We've got our next caller. Sheikh is calling us from Andhra Pradesh. Sheikh, hi, a very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
मेरे पास जम्मू एंड कश्मीर शेयर्स है मैडम.
ठीक है.
116 के पास ये होल्ड करना और सेल करना लॉन्ग टाइम के वजह से लिया था मैं.
ठीक है. ओके, समझ गए. ठीक है, ये मैं नीरव से लूंगी फिर सवाल. नीरव, योर व्यू ऑन J&K Bank from a longer term perspective, should he continue to hold?
Yes, I think you should continue to hold. Expect the smaller banks to perform well going forward.
Okay. Just a quick pointer to you. You'd said City Union Bank, if I'm not mistaken. No, South Indian Bank, was it? Was it South Indian Bank? Yeah.
Yes.
You'd said a hold on South Indian Bank, and you'd said that the South-based banks are likely to do well. But if you have a pecking order of the banks, you know, because you can't possibly buy the entire pack, what would that be if you were to list the top 3 large banks and the top 3 small banks, relatively?
Well, I think as far as the larger banks are concerned, I think the clear preference would be towards HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank and State Bank of India.
Okay.
And on the smaller banks, I think the preference would be towards Federal Bank, Karnataka Bank and City Union Bank.
Okay. Which is not to say that